How to create a page on Facebook. So here is a step-by-step guide to create a Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook, all you have to do is simply tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you do so, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the pages option available there. Once you tap on the pages, you can tap on the create button available at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the get started. And what you have to do is enter your page name. You can't enter some word name, like you cannot enter girls, boys. You will have to enter a complete name, like you can enter your personal name as well, or you can enter like fashion hub, like cycles hub, whatever you prefer, but you cannot enter some broadcast names. Then choose a category like clothing store, artist, blogger, or any according to your preferences, and tap on the next button available there. Now, once done so, you will be navigated to choose whether it is business or personal. If you choose business, then you'll have to enter your website name of the business and everything. But if it is just for content creation, then continue. Add a bio, then tap next. Then tap on the done and it will be. Your page is now successfully created. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.